Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. We've already opened Photoshop. We're going to need a photo to work with. To open an image file, click the Open button. Navigate to the folder on your computer where the image you want to use is stored and double-click on it to open it. This photo was taken at a Chinese lantern event and has a celebratory birthday theme, so we're going to add the text Happy Birthday towards the bottom left down here. Start by clicking the horizontal type tool over here. Before typing Happy Birthday, click the current colour here on the text toolbar. Use the spectrum slider to find the approximate hue you'd like to use, then use the picker to select a precise shade. We're going to try this mid-green shade for now. Click on OK. We're also going to increase the font size, as the default size of 12 points will be almost too small to even see. I'll select 72 points. Now click roughly where you'd like the top left of the text to be. You can change this later. I'm going to type Happy Birthday and see how it looks. Not bad, but it's too small and looks kind of boring. Highlight all the text by double-clicking on it. And we're going to increase the size even further here. Note you can enter your own values, you're not stuck with the options that happen to be on the drop-down menu. Use the Move tool here to move the text around as needed. The text is looking pretty good, so let's save our image as a new file. Go to the File menu and click on Save As. Give the new image a sensible name so you can find it easily later on, and click on Save. And there you go.
Pixels.cool.